Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve two questions from the topic volume and surface area, and both these questions have been asked in the CBSE 24 paper, and they both have been in a choice like either part A or part B you have to do. So first let's begin with the part A of the question. A solid iron pole consists of a solid cylinder of height 200 centimeter and base diameter 28 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 50 centimeter and radius 7 centimeter. Now read it again if you are not getting it, and then you have to visualize it or try to draw a figure. So they have given a iron pole, solid iron pole, which consists of a solid cylinder. There is a pole, एक iron pole है, उसमें एक solid cylinder है. Okay, dimensions of that are given to you. Height for this one is given as 200 centimeter, and the diameter of this base is given as 28 centimeter. Now it is surmounted by another cylinder. Surmounted means उसके ऊपर एक और cylinder है, that's a smaller cylinder on top of it. I'm not drawing it to scale. So height of this one is given as 50 centimeter and radius for this one is given as 7 centimeter. Clear? Now this is the figure. Now what do we have to calculate? We have to find the mass of this pole. You have to find the mass of this whole thing, the whole pole, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So how to calculate the mass? You know it's given in 1 centimeter cube, meaning with the units you'll come to know, you have to find the volume here. Okay, so we have a big cylinder. So बिग सिलेंडर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हाइट ऑफ बिग सिलेंडर इज 200 सेंटीमीटर. Radius of the big cylinder, I'll take it as capital R for the big cylinder, that will be 28 divided by 2, which is 14 centimeter. So students, you will get half marked for calculating this thing only. Okay, the radius, because radius is not given, diameter is given to you. Okay, now small cylinder height 50 centimeter and small cylinder radius is 7 centimeter. This one is for big cylinder I'm writing, and this is for the small cylinder. Okay, now what will be the volume of the pole? Let's write volume of the pole will be equals to volume of big cylinder. For volume में छोटा symbol ले रही हूँ V only, plus volume of small cylinder. You will add the volumes of both the cylinder, you will get the volume of the whole pole. Clear? So formula क्या होता है volume of cylinder? That's pi r square h. I'll take capital R for the bigger one. I've taken in capital H for that, and small ka pi small r square into h. Okay, let's put the values. Pi ka value nothing is given, so we take it as 22 by 7. Radius is different for both of them, 14 into 14 into height is 200. Here I'm not taking pi common, nahi le rahi hu main, because I can cancel this 7 and 14 easily over here. Yeah, 22 by 7 into, now iska radius is 7 into 7 and its height is 50. We can cancel this and this, cancel this and this. So what you will get after multiplying, when I multiply all these, let me just keep this question down. So when I multiply, what will I get? 44 into 2800 plus this will be 22 into 350. So when you multiply 44 and 28, what will you get? Will be 2, 3 carry over 32, 32, 8, 40, 43, 43, and 8, 4, 12, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0. And when you multiply this 35, 22, what you will get? There's a 10, 1 carry over, 6, 10, 16, 17, and 1, 7, 7, 7, 7, 0, 0. And when we add this, what do we get? 9 here, 0, 1 carry over, 3, 130,900 centimeter cube. That's the volume of the pole I got. Now, what is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter iron? Is 8 gram. Okay, so what will be the mass of 130,900 centimeter cubic of iron? That will be 8 into 130,900 grams. So let's multiply it. What will we get? 0, 0. 8 9s are 72. 7 comes here. 8 3s are 24. 2 carry over. 8 1s are 8 plus 2. This many grams. We can convert it into kg also if you want by dividing it by 1000 only. So it will be 1047.2 kg. So that's our final answer. Hope it is clear. We have not done anything special, just calculated the volume of this pole by adding the volume of this small cylinder and adding the volume of this big cylinder. Now I'll tell you how you will get marks in boards. Half mark I told you to calculate this radius of the big cylinder. If you calculate it directly here also it will be fine. Then writing this statement and putting these values till here. Okay, you will get 2 marks. 1 mark for your calculation part you will get. Okay, so 3.5 is done. Now here the cost wala part. So you will have 1 mark for this part and half mark for this calculation. Okay students, so I have told you how do you get marks also. So please take care of writing proper steps when you solve. Okay, now let's come to the next question, which was the or part of this question. Let's read it. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to it to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 4 mm. Find its surface area, also find its volume. Now अभी if you see this figure, ये capsule है. So capsule generally दो चीजों से बना हुआ है यहाँ पे. There is a cylinder, okay, and यहाँ पे there are two hemispheres. Okay. Now if you see the figure, total length is given as 14 mm. That's the length of the capsule. So if I have to calculate the height of cylinder, h of cylinder, or I say height of cylinder will be how much? 14 minus. If you check, this is the radius, this is the radius. Diameter of the capsule is how much? What is the diameter of the capsule? That will be the diameter for both hemisphere and cylinder. So diameter of capsule is equals to 4 mm. So radius will be 4 by 2, which is 2 mm. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4 आपको subtract करना है. So you will get 10 mm as the height of the cylinder. Okay. Height of cylinder is only 10 mm here. Now I have calculated both these parts here, height and radius. So I'll get 1 mark over here. Half mark for calculating the height, half mark for calculating the radius. Now let's move to the other part which says that surface area we have to find. So surface area of capsule, what is that? Surface area of capsule is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemispheres. There are two hemispheres and both are same, so I can say 2 into that. Correct. What is the formula for CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. And what is the formula for CSA of hemisphere? That's 2 pi r square. Radius is same, so I'm using the same symbol for this. Okay. Now let's calculate it. I can take things common also if I want. I can take 2 pi r common. So I'm left with h plus 2 pi r gone. 2 is left, 2r. Okay. Let's calculate it. 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 2. Height is 10 plus 2 into 2. Okay. Yeah, it will be cancelled. 2, 22, 2. You will get 88 by 7 into that will be 14. You cancel it, it's 2. So 176 centimeter square. Not centimeter, sorry, it's millimeter. Yeah. Millimeter square is a 176 millimeter square is the surface area of the capsule. I hope it's clear. Now I have taken it common. You can do it separately also and do it. There is no problem. But sometimes when you take common, it's easy to cancel out and the calculation can be done mentally. Now we need to find out the volume of the capsule. So how do we do that? That will be the volume of cylinder plus volume of hemispheres. As there are two similar hemispheres, again I'll do 2 multiply by that. So volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here I will not take anything common because let's see what will we do, because nothing is going to be cancelled over here if we think of it, because r is 2, 2 into 2, height is 10. Nothing is cancelled over here. 2 into 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, and r is again 2 into 2 into 2. Clear, students? Now let us solve it. So what will I get over here? It will be 880 by 7, correct? Because 22 into 4 is 88 and 0, plus what will it become if you multiplied something by 21, or you could have taken it common also or done. So that's 4 or 32, I say, basically 32 into 22, correct? 32 into 22 by 21. So what is 32 into 22? Let's calculate. So 4, 6 and 4, 10, 1 carry 704. Yeah, so that we got as 704 by 21. When you take LCM, so we have to do 880 into 3 plus 704. So how much is 880 into 3 when you multiply? So 0, 80, 3 zeros are 0, 4, 24. So 2640 plus 704 by 24, 21. So when I solve it, what will I get? 2640 plus 704. So 4, 4 plus 0, again 4, then 6 plus 7, 13, 1, 3341 by 21. Okay. So 3341, 44, sorry, 3344 by 21. So when I divide it, you can check by dividing also what you will get. Let's just divide it over here. So 21 ones are 21, you subtract it 4, so it will go by 5, 5, 105 minus, go by 9, decimal we put 0, so we'll go by 2, again decimal 40s, approximately this 159.24 millimeter cube, that's the volume. I hope it's clear, students. Any doubt, please let me know. So this is the answer that we got. Now I'll tell you how you get the marks in this. Yeah, half and half mark I told you will get over here. Now by putting these value and doing till here part, you'll get 1 mark over for this and 1 mark for the calculation part. Okay, then same for this part, you will get 1 mark for putting the values and all, and calculation you will get 1 part. Here the calculations were a little more, but yeah, 1 part for this. So total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two 5. Half and half. Yeah. Now I hope the concept is clear. Please take care when you solve these type of question. It is very important to write what is the total surface area of the given figure when you combine them. Okay. What is the total volume of the capsule? This is very important. Same way in the previous question, what I've done, I've written that volume of the pole will be equals to volume of the big cylinder and volume of the small cylinder. You have to write, you have to mention the formula. Okay, students, so keep practicing and keep watching the video. If you have any doubt or any comment, please do write the comments. Thank you. Bye.